This is Cyndy G from Cyndy G SVG, and in this tutorial we are assembling the Snowman Bouquet pop-up card. So I have got my pieces laid out, and what we're going to do, these two pieces here make up the front and the back of the card. So let's go ahead. I discovered in my last card I did that I have to update that piece. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to assemble one side of the card, front and back. Okay. I'm going to start with just, whoops. I'm going to use my table to make sure I'm lined up. And do that front and back. Okay. And then I'm going to put on my trim pieces. This just lines up to the bottom. And I'm just lining this right up to this corner up here on each side. And then you want this one that's like shorter. This one has a longer edge. If you look at these, see this one is kind of, see how they're just a little bit different. This one comes down further, that's the back, and this one is the front. Okay. And we are going to put this one on. Looks like it might have been easier to put the trim pieces on before you glue them together because it won't really lay down flat. So you have to kind of squeeze that in that way. Okay. And then the bottom one, I decided just to use it on the back. You don't really need it if you don't want to use it on the back. And I am going to add a panel here so that you have a place to write your sentiment. Okay. So this is the base. We're going to set that aside, and then we're going to take a look at this. And right here where this is connected, this is the front center of your card. Okay. And so you're going to come over here and you're going to fold this away from you and then towards you and then back. And you're going to make this zigzag in here with a tab. Okay. And you do the same thing on the other side. And then it's just going to glue. Okay. And just fold this here. Back. Okay. So now let's put glue on this. And close it up. Now, this piece where this tab is, this is the back side. But we're just going to fold these over and make this lever thicker. So I'm just gonna glue these pieces down. I'm gonna fold it over this way, glue that down, then this way. Okay, so now this is our lever. And then we're gonna, and I don't know if you can see them or not, the score lines in there, but it's the width of this tab. And that's the only part of this that we're gonna glue down, okay? And the reason is that we don't want to lose all of our dimension by gluing this whole thing down to the front and back. And you're just going to center that in here. And again, there's just glue in the center. And then we're going to fold our tabs over. And I'm just going to put glue in the center on this. Do not glue your lever down. That's how your card is going to pop open. Push it in the center and push the sides. Let's just make sure we have that glued down. And then this lever, you can see, I don't want to, but that is going to push up, and that's how your card is going to open, okay? So let's set that aside and pull in our pieces. So I've already put my berries on here, and you can kind of see them when you're looking at it. You can see where the berries go. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on this base piece. This is the top of the drum. And right in here, you can see the center of the snowflake. You're just going to glue this in place. I'm going to put a dot of glue on each circle and then the top of each star and in the center. I think that should be enough. Okay. So the reason that I made the hat separate was in case you wanted to pop this with some foam tape. And I think I'm going to. I have to grab my foam tape here. Now the face, you're just going to line up to the bottom. Just like this. Okay. And then his nose. Just a happy little snowman. Let me see if I have tape in my drawers. Yes. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Now, I get these foam squares at the Dollar Tree, and I noticed, and I get them they're like in the auto parts section on this roll like this. I did notice the other day when I was in the Dollar Tree that a lot of their crafting stuff is gone. So I asked the lady, I said, are you guys not going to be doing crafting stuff anymore? And she said, it does look like they're cutting it back to just be seasonal. So that's a big bummer because this foam tape can get expensive. So when you see your craft supplies, I would suggest buying them because I don't know how much longer they're going to have it. So now when you put your collar on, you want to make sure you're not going over this edge. You know, the first time I line this up, this is kind of hanging over. You just want to kind of move it around until it is not hanging over that edge, okay? Because then this piece won't slide down into the center like it's supposed to. And then you do have this piece to put right on it. Okay, so there's the front. And then we have the back. So I have already placed my berries. And then I just need to put my snowflakes on. And the biggest one goes here on this side. And then your little smallest one goes here. Okay. And for this one, you can see the star pattern in here. Maybe I should have popped one of these. But then you take your base and you slide this one in the back and slide this one in the front. And you can push this lever up, and there he is. There's your snowman bouquet. Thank you for joining me.